Excellent, thank you so much.
So dirty.
I'm not doubting you.
Looks like everybody patient today.
I'm just looking about where from my feet.
Right there. That's it. And then here. And then, all right, I'll do that. You go ahead.
It's gonna look tight. You know what I mean?
Do you wanna?
No, I'm kidding.
Okay.
Oh, I will.
Like, I went, you know,
Right foot there. Okay.
Like upper.
I'm just afraid to move the left.
You don't need to move the left. Put the left there, put the right there. And
But
then,
if I pick up the right, it'll go to the left.
well, I'm not gonna let you go anywhere.
Now what do I do with this hand now?
Let go with the right hand.
But what's gonna keep me from falling?
You're not going anywhere.
Lori, move your hand, no, just move your hand down here. Okay, see if you have a hold.
Hey, John, can you take it over there?
Sure. With your phone?
Yeah, or yours, whichever's better.
Thank you.
Yours probably.
That helps. Now that I'm.
All right, there you go.
Yes.
It was that right hand.
Yeah, difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me move. There, nice, and then she'll do the whole.
Just one second, I can show you the лицо.
Thanks. Okay, Steve.
Makes it work.
1, 2, 3.
So you go down face
a little bit
first, it
further.
looks like?
Alright.
That's what I see.
I
other
would face
people-
the rock.
You would?
I mean, I would.
I would too.
Alright.
Because then you can like kind of.
So far it's 50-50.
Right, yeah.
One way or another, we'll get down.
If you want to go
Intact
out
or
there,
not?
I'll take your picture so you can
Alright.
I'm not sure I'm needing to.
Got one person.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, down there.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Got it.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Nice job, Paul.
Are you guys coming back around?
I'm gonna go that way.
Okay.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I know it's scary, but you did it. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, everybody, for waiting.
Oh, not a problem.
Take care of it.
Can you get around me okay, or would you
Oh,
like me to?
no, not at all.
Yeah, sure.
What's that?
Would you like me to move, or?
Oh,
can
no,
you-
no, no.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm gonna watch some
Someone has
agile
over.
person go down. See how it's done.
Did you get some pictures in here, Karen? Did I see you taking?
I did get, yeah, like one anyway. A video might be cool, because you can get the slot. Do a yoga pose.